kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video series on Android app development. And so guys, in this video series I will teach you how to use the Firebase cloud Firestore using Android Studio. Okay guys, so let's get started. So before that I want to show you what does the data represent in your cloud Firestore. So basically it contains collections. It is the root of the database, you can say. Then inside our collections we can have multiple documents. Okay, so after that we can have fields or the actual data fields. All right, so this is the hierarchy. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a student collection with some documents, and then we will be creating the actual fields. All right, so let's get started. So before you start doing the Firestore, so make sure that you already have integrated the Firebase in your Android application or Android project. All right, for that let me show you the google dot google dash services dot json file, and there we have integrated easily the dependencies inside our build.gradle. So here you are able to see this apply plugin. All right, so after that what you are going to do is, first of all, you need to add the dependencies. So go to build.gradle and write the dependencies. So for that we can say com.google.firebase #firebase. Alright, after that go to your build.gradle, and after this jcenter method you need to write maven.google.com. Alright, now just click on sync now. So guys, it is already now easily integrated with our project. So let me first of all remove the documents. Alright, so I have removed all the data. So after that what you need to do, okay, so now let's have a student edit text of name, then we will have email, then we need to have a button. So let's first of all name it and for the button we can say save. Alright, let's now go to main activity, and inside that let's have public, so we can say ed1 equals to edit text 1 with the id r.id.edit text 3, and ed2 equals to edit text 4. Then what, now we need the Firestore object. So for that we can here initialize Firebase Firestore as db. Then we can also say db equals to Firebase Firestore dot get instance. Alright, so after that let's create a model class. So let's click on new Java class, and here you can say student. Alright, and inside that we can have two fields. So first of all we will have public string name and email. Alright, let's generate the default constructor, and then let's generate the getter and setter, and let's also create an empty constructor. Alright, so after that you need to write public void save, and inside our save method what we are going to do is, okay, so now we first of all can say student equals to new student, and inside that we can pass ed1 dot get text dot toString, then ed2 dot get text dot toString. Alright, so after that we can have, okay, so now here we can say db dot collection, and we need to first of all create the collection, so we can say, okay, so before I mean instead of that we can easily say here dot collection, and here will be student. Okay, so I guess we can do that here. So here we can say db dot collection, and here we can say student information dot document, and inside that document we can pass 1, and finally we can say dot set, and inside that we can pass the student object. Alright, and instead of semicolon we can say dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener, and inside here we can check if task is successful. So yes, we can say toast data stored successfully, but inside our else part, so we can also say task dot get exception dot get message, okay, so here I guess I have made some mistakes, so let me remove, and let's say again add on complete listener. So here finally we can say if task is successful, data entered successfully, and inside our else part we can just copy that and paste it here, and here we can say alright. So okay, so now go to your main activity main.xml and specify the on click method, and now our code is complete. Let me open SideSync and let me connect my phone. Now let's click run, and let's try to run our app. And now the application is running. So let me enter the name, and let's also enter some email, and if you click on save, so you are able to see data entered successfully, and when you open that, Let me refresh. Alright, so now you are able to see the document 1, and here I have these values. Alright, so guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.